chest on the coach.
Oh, did you record it?
Of course. So excited to live here for a bit. Oh, this is a big one coming. Did you actually touch it? Where's E.T. off to? Is it E.T.? What is that?
Mine's better than yours.
Mine's better than yours, actually. Final day of holiday and we're going out with a bang. We've already done a Jägermeister or a Jaeger bomb, and now it may look like water, but it's not.
Vacations!
I just spat in that. That's strong, babe.
My friends.
That's strong. We're friends. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Oh shit, in one go?
Nah.
What the fuck? What we're like, oh, this has a percentage. That will work.
Alex, how do you feel about the fact that it's your last day going to the beach today?
I'm gutted. I don't want to go.
You're gutted. Oh. Show us your back in the gym. My neck. My back. Oh god.
I was like, yeah, you're right. No.